Alright, go.
Our granddaughter is walking in heels for the first time. Go, Leslie. Leslie is walking in heels for the very first time. You gotta stand up straight.
Come on.
She's walking in heels for the very first time. Leslie, how does it feel?
No.
Something you don't want to ever have to do,
Show your
Leslie.
boots off, Leslie.
There's
for the
no
camera.
there's no need to do it.
Show your boots off. She's walking in heels the first time. Go, Leslie. You gotta go out there. It's so funny. Look at, she's gonna be a star. Show them your heels. You're walking like an old lady. Leslie.
Help me.
Go walk over there, Leslie. I'm sending this thing to America's Funniest Video. My granddaughter is 11, going to be 12 in heels for the first time. Leslie, can you stand up?
No.
You're bending over. You are too funny. I'm going to put this.
I'm about to do crisscross applesauce. Don't fall.
Those are heels for the first time. Leslie, how does it feel to grow up?
I don't know. I don't like this.
Stand up! You're bending over.
Straight.
Okay, that's it, Gina. That's it.
Leslie's getting better as she goes.
Go, Leslie. Desi's wearing her second pair of heels.
She got shorter heel now, though.
It's a shorter heel. She's doing it. Leslie, put the scarf down. We want to see how you do in the heels. Show us how a lady walks.
Go, Leslie. Go, Leslie. Go.